How to fix global search in Telegram on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings and then click here apps and then click apps again. Now scroll all the way down until you find here Telegram, and here is it. Click on it and then click storage. Now click clear cache and then click force stop, and that's it. Now just click this one, draw over other apps, make sure it's disabled, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then it means that you need to update your Telegram. So just go to Play Store and click update. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.